you guys, come with another haul. As you guys probably say, she got the same thing on as the last video. But let me tell you something. Like I was saying, I'm trying to push you guys out some videos. So all these videos are recorded in the same day. It's not that I'm wearing the same thing over and over and over. No. I'm going to do... Okay. This is how I'm going to do it. Because I purchased so much stuff in the last few months, because you know of all the Black Friday sales and all the good sales they run for the holidays and things. But anyways, this one video is going to be a makeup eyeshadow haul, which is from ColourPop. As you guys can see, I have ColourPop on. Forgive my lashes because right now they having it. But this is done with ColourPop, and it is very pigmented, and I love their makeup. This is my first time using it, so I purchased a few of their palettes, and we're going to get into it. The first palette is the Blowing Smoke. I took them out of all the boxes, and on the back of them, it has what each, pressed powder palette. It's a pressed powder palette for your eyeshadow. It has all the different ones, the names that they have. And then this one, they also have a mirror, but they have a protective film over it. And it has Young Love, which is like a white smoke. Was it Smokini? Stone Face, Ignite, Night Dream, Full Metal, Let's Do It, Starstruck, and Slated. And this is more for like your smoky looks, which I think I used a little of this one for the like corner, like around this part a little bit to darken my purple. And let's jump into the next one. The one that I use for today, one of the ones is the Miss Bliss ColourPop palette. And this one, as you guys, like I said, they have a mirror. I have the mirror off. And this one it has Of Quartz, Intuitive, Whoa, Love It, Law of Attraction, Palo Santo, Vibrant Thing, Optimist, Chakra to Me. Okay, I used this one, which is the Palo Santo, and that's what's above this right here. And I also mixed it a little bit with the Whoa. And then in my inner corner, like right here, I used the Law of Attraction. So they're very pigmented and pretty. And the shipping, it did take a little while, because I think it is out the country where their warehouse is. So it kind of took like maybe, I ordered it December the 31st. So it didn't take that long. I think it was December the 30th. I ordered it and I received it on the 5th, I want to say. The next one is Aren't You Glad? This is like an orange palette. You got You Feel Me, Mimosa Mommy, Tangerine Dreams, Rise and Grind, Clementine, Sun Kiss, Creamsicle, Squeeze Me, and Zesty. It's all like orangey and goldish colors, which is very pretty. And this probably would be a great palette for like the summer and the springtime, with your little oranges. I also got the Honey. And this one is yellow. It has Stinger, Sunburst, Sweet Spot, Dandy, Palooza, Queen Bee, Totally Buggin', Oh Behave, Buzzkill. And that's what it looks like. It's very pretty. It's like yellow. And like this is another springtime palette. I've also purchased It's My Pleasure. And this is one of the palettes that I did use for my look. And it has Kitten Fish, Do or Do, Pretty Cruels, Bare Minimum, Earth Shine, Chick Lit, Mr. Sandman, Fan Fiction, and Sleeper. I used the Chick Lit for my purple because it's more of, I used the Chick Lit, which is this one right here where my pinky finger is. And that's like this color in there where the cut crease part is. And I mixed it with like Bare Minimum a little bit for like that part. And I also used the Blue Moon palette. This one is very pretty as well. And I used the moon. Okay, it has Moonlight, Daba D, Lumi, Story Eyed, Billie Jean, Tide Pool, Clued In, Fine China, and Mad About You. I use Tide Pool for my blue, like the inside with the purple, to mix the purple. And then I also use the Moonlight, which is this light blue pigment right here. So like I say, you guys, it's very pigmented on not just, you know, darker skin color, but also Caucasian people is very pigmented. But as you can see, it's very hard to find eyeshadow that's pigmented for our skin complexion. Then I got the Aura and Out, which is like greens and yellowish. And this has Energetics Vibes, Young Love, Your Vision, Fresh Cut, New Age, Solar Hour, Healing Heart, and Soul Sister. And that's what it looks like. And I think this comes, you can get this as a set with, I want to say, I can't think of the name of it, but it's a tie-dye. So this is more like for the springy and summery looks. I also got Just My Look, which are greens, like for St. Patrick's Day. And this one has Chances Are, Kiss My Ass, not the A word, HASS, which is 50/50, Mary Jane, Big Banks, Act Natural, Mobama, Charmed, and All of You. And last but not least, I purchased the Main Squeeze. Actually, majority of these was in one vault. It's the Dream Big vault. So a lot of these, and that was like $40 for the Dream Big vault, which came with all of them but two, which is the Blowing Smoke and the Aura and Out, which was not included in the Dream Big. But they was like $6. The prices are very reasonable. And this one came in the vault. And this is Main Squeeze, and it's the Froze Juicy Fruit, Home Slice, Like It's Hot, Maraschino, Big Gulp, Red Bottoms, and Seed Money, Baywatch, and Red Bottoms. It's all reds, the reddish colors, and golden. Well, they got one gold color, but it's more like a metallic. Like it's red with gold glitter flakes. That's what it's like. But it's very pretty. But as you guys, I thank you guys for watching my video. Like I say, don't think I'm nasty and wearing the same clothes. But this is what my eyes look like. So the eyeshadows are perfect. They are very pigmented. And I also use like a concealer for my primer. So, I mean, you can't go wrong. But thank you guys for watching my video. Also, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And give me video ideas. And I thank you guys for watching my video. Peace. God bless.